Shadowbans, today we're talking about shadowbans. Have you or someone you know ever been shadowbanned? Well, it just happened to us and we have a bit of information that might help you if you're going through it. First, our case is unique and may not exactly match your circumstances. In our case, all videos affected were YouTube shorts. One day, Mum noticed a few of the shorts on Kio's account started getting very few views. I'm talking views like 11, 15, 7, etc. We aren't a big channel yet. At the time, we had about 900 subscribers. Most of our videos would average somewhere around 1,000 to 2,500 views each, with only a few videos falling outside of those lines. When more videos started getting almost no views, Mum started looking for help. Around this time, her second account, my account, started getting very few views too. Mum submitted feedback. That was useless. She went to the help community too. Everything she did find said this was normal. She was told her content must have changed slightly and her viewers didn't like it. Her content needs to grow and change to keep viewers interested and so on. Finally, she found a help tab that would let her speak to a real person. It said it was only for people who needed help with memberships or one-time purchases. She selected memberships and messaged them anyways. She explained what was going on and she actually got a response back. While she waited for that response, however, she had continued looking for the issue on her own. Mum discovered every single video with low views had 0 impressions in the Shorts feed. Clearly, her videos had been blocked from the Shorts feed for some reason. The first message from support told her the same stuff she'd read. It's her content. Nobody likes all of her videos. Basically, her viewers just weren't interested in her content. Like, what? If that was true, you would see low impressions in the Shorts feed, not no impressions. YouTube would show her video in the feed a few times to see if it has viewers interested in watching it. If not, then it'd stop being shown in the Shorts feed. How can they say viewers didn't like her content if they didn't give the video any chance to be seen? They also said it's normal for views to fluctuate. Well, no shit, Sherlock. Mum's been doing this for over 2 years. These aren't the first videos to get views that low. It does happen that a video flops from time to time, but there shouldn't be this many with such low views in a row on 2 channels. Mum told support that she was getting 0 impressions in the Shorts feed and asked them to concentrate on that to see if there was a glitch or if she accidentally turned a setting on that she shouldn't have. She messaged back and forth with them a couple times, with them giving the same denials. Finally, they asked her to send a screenshot of her analytics to prove she was getting 0 impressions. She did that. It was taking forever for them to get back to Mum again, so she got mad and sent 2 additional emails. Support finally responded. It was from a new support agent. Around this time, my account started working again. I was getting impressions and had a normal amount of views. Meanwhile, the new support agent responded to tell Mum that the issue was because she did exceptionally well on 2 videos, which brought new viewers to her and they didn't return to watch more. Really? What a dumb thing to say. Seriously. None of the views had a chance to watch the new videos because they couldn't find them because they got no impressions. Mum has now responded to another agent who also made up stupid excuses for what happened. She has asked one last time for them to explain why they banned her from the Shorts feed for 2 full months. Kio's account did start working again right after the last new support agent messaged Mum. We don't know if that support agent actually fixed the problem, if it was a 2-month ban or something else happened to fix the account, but it is working again, without an explanation of why. Just to make sure it really wasn't just Mum's content that sucks, she re-released every video. Mum made them exactly the same titles, descriptions, playlists, tags, hashtags, etc. Everything is exactly the same. One video got 8 views, but it did get impressions in the Shorts feed. The rest of the videos got between 340 and 1,700 views, with all but 2 getting over 1,000. You know what support said? The decrease in views must have been from an influx of interest from our audience on the platform. What does that even mean? Are they saying all of Mum's normal viewers didn't visit the platform for 2 months? They all came back at once, and they still haven't explained why she got 0 impressions in the Shorts feed. Anyways, Mum's accounts are working again, for now. Hopefully they don't get mad she made a video telling the truth. There should be an explanation for not getting any impressions. They have completely ignored the question. Obviously, the information Mum found won't apply to someone who makes long-form videos, but I'd check your analytics to see what you can find if you get shadow banned. Mum was actually devastated this happened to her. When something you put that much work into is taken away without reason, it's very upsetting. In the community forum, Mum saw others with the same issue. Maybe if they see this video, they can do what Mum did, contact help, and hopefully get their account working again, even if support denies it. Many say shadow bans don't exist. Okay, call it a Shorts feed ban then. Something happened that caused Mom's accounts to tank after 2 years of work. She thought she may have to start new accounts from scratch, but wondered if the same thing would happen again. Another ban for a secret reason. It made it so much worse that YouTube denied the issue and blamed Mum's content for the drop in views. Even after she showed them proof, they weren't even giving her videos a chance to be seen. If they were getting impressions, then got low views, that would make sense. This didn't. They say she just had less viewers online. What difference would that make? 0 impressions will get 0 views, regardless of how many of her viewers were online. Keep in mind, if you're short-ass content that YouTube doesn't like, it's normal to get 0 impressions in the Shorts feed. Consider this before a shadow ban. Follow community guidelines, make sure there's not a lot of profanity, there's no copyrighted content, the video and the sound is high quality, etc. If this happens to you and you get it fixed, try reposting all videos that were affected. We got normal views and subscribers when we reposted ours. If you know someone experiencing a shadow ban, share this with them. Maybe it'll help. Mum messaged support one last time tonight and asked them to explain what caused 0 impressions. She told them it's not because her videos performed poorly. They didn't get a chance to perform poorly. It's not that YouTube disagreed with the content, because the exact same videos did well when reposted. Saying that all of her viewers weren't watching all at the same time is ridiculous. Even if every single person who's ever watched her videos was on the platform, 0 impressions will get 0 views. She asked them to actually look at the proof she sent them regarding the Shorts feed and address that issue. She said their denials are the reason people believe shadow bans exist. They refuse to acknowledge what happened and explain it. If it was a glitch, say that. But these continuing denials, despite being shown proof something happened, is all the proof a lot of creators need to show shadow bans do exist. YouTube is adamant shadow bans don't exist, and they discourage using that term. They said they never purposely limit a channel's views. That could be true, and perhaps there's just some sort of glitch that causes this to happen, that them refusing to investigate what is going on makes one think otherwise. If this happened to you, we empathise with how heartbreaking it is, and hope your account is back to normal soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share this video to anyone else this may help. Our main account affected by the ban was at How to Be a Corgi.